Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nigel. Welcome to Top of the Plots. Today we're going to be harvesting potatoes and the day is the 2nd of September, and I'm planning on digging as much of these potatoes out as possible. There's a feeling there's a worm that's going to be burrowing into the potatoes. You see how we done? Red potato. They're small because I planted them too close together. But it's alright though.
Thank you, Nige. You know this is your channel, not mine. Anyway, as I'm on camera, guys, I'm here now, just popped up to see Nige and I'm harvesting some corn. He said,
Yeah.
harvest the ones that have gone brown and have started to pop through.
Boss will pop up now to do a spot check.
Yeah.
To see if there was...
When the area manager comes up, see, to make sure that everything's running smoothly to plan and that nobody's skiving on the job.
Make sure he's not sitting down having a cup of tea.
That's the one.
There we are. Yeah.
I'm disappearing now. I think I've harvested enough corn.
Come on, boss.
No, that's enough now for tea. I leave them on the plant. How long will I leave them on the plant?
I don't know. It's the first time I've grown corn. It's all new to me here.
I want more corn next year. This autumn.
The boss wants a cornfield.
Yes. So I can run through it all summery with a floppy hat on and a white flowy dress. You see.
Oh, I think I'll be doing that.
Oh, I've already done that. That's just we didn't video it.
Well.
Right, I'm all corned out now, guys.
Okay.
Is that the rudest potato in the world?
I don't know. Looks like he's
Got a bit of a bum.
Yes.
So you got all those potatoes out of...
Well, I gotta finish off digging them up, but the basket is full.
So from that one,
Yeah.
what, 3/4 of that bed?
Yeah.
That's good going.
This is the variety. Oh, but
Oh, rooster seed potatoes.
Yeah.
Hang on. Whatever that says. I can't see
Yeah,
without
we
the
got
glasses.
you got 2 varieties there.
Excellent. So you've done well out of those.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's a shopping basket full. And that's a shopping basket we got out of a skip with permission, by the way.
What I did out of a skip.
Oh yeah, with permission. They sit in the shop. Right. Vivaldi seed potatoes by Albert Barker. So they're the whites or the reds? Whites, are they? Because the bag is...
They're the
yellowy.
whites.
Whites. Look at that! How's that for ultimate abundance? Go Nige! First year!
Not bad at all, is it?
Yeah.
I know corn.
Yeah. This is the corn I harvested today, and this is the 2nd of September.
Yeah. This is the 2nd of September, yeah, and this is what we picked today.
Yeah, so this is tea.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. A couple of them a bit dry on the ends, but we can
Yeah,
trim that off.
Don't think they were
No,
fertilised properly,
the
but
ground is quite dry at the moment though. So
not bad for the first year.
yeah.
Now you've got to look on
Yeah, so we got beans, we can have beans, run of beans, corn. I'm doing a pasta bake with just courgettes from the garden. And his own onions, and probably some fresh tomatoes thrown in. And as a freebie, look, yay, some blackberries that were growing wild. So I'm going to do with our own apples as well, apple and blackberry crumble. Bumper tea tonight, Nige.
Excellent.
Ideal for the tummy.
Yeah. From the pot
To the pot!
Happy days. There we are. Thanks for tuning in. Let us know what we're doing, and don't forget, get out and do a bit. Ta-da!
Ta-da!